Number 21, what is the square root of 2.56? Now, sa mga squares or cube na numbers, yung binabantayan ko lang naman dyan is yung pinaka-last na number. Sabi kasi dito square root, meaning I have to multiply the number by itself twice. So, ang ginagawa ko is, let's say for example, we have here 4, 3, 6, and 8. If I multiply that by itself, we have 4 times 4, this will be 16. Pinaka-last is 6, pwede. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Yung mga last number ha, hindi pwede. So, hindi na to. Hindi na yun yung sagot. We have here 6 and 6. This is 36. 6 yung pinaka-last number. Pwede. Yung number, letter D, 2.8. 8 times 8, this is already 64. 4 yung pinaka-last number, so hindi na rin pwede. So, alam natin na yung dalawa dyan na hindi na pwede. Pero we have to debate between 1.4 and 1.6. Pagtataluhan natin yan siya. So, is it 1.4 or 1.6? Now, pareho sila na nasa bracket ng 10. Okay, 10. Hindi 10. Sorry. 10 kasi minsan kasi 14 and 16 eh. Wait lang. That's under the bracket of 1. Okay, papuntang 2. Right? 1 papuntang 2. Or kung tatanggalin natin yung point, okay, just for the sake of convenience, nasa 10 to 20 siya. Alright? Ang pinaka-importanting number dito kapag 10 to 20 na range, 10, 15, and 20. Bakit? Kasi ang kailangan mo lang malaman is yung square ng 10, which is 100. Okay? Ang square ng 15, which is, I think it's 225. 225 ba? O 225 ata. And then we have here the square of, yeah, parang 225. And then, tingnan nga natin. Nagdududa na ako eh. 5, 2, this is 5 times 1, that's 75. And then we have here 15, this is 225. Okay? So, square ng 15, yan lang naman yung i-familiarize mo or i-solve mo. Pwede mo i-solve ha. And then we have here, huwag mong pilitin ko, hindi talaga ma-memorize. 20 and 20, that's 400. Now, in decimal places, kasi nga kapag minultiply mo yung 1.4, yan, tsaka 1.4, for example, or 1.5, tsaka 1.5 na lang. 1.5 and 1.5. Kapag ang sagot niyan is 225, okay, again, kapag sagot niyan is 225, meron kang dalawang decimal places kasi. Isang decimal places here, isang decimal place here. Therefore, a total of dalawang decimal places, galing dito, 1, 2. Okay, magiging 2.25. Yan siya. Okay? So, again, the number that we have here is no longer, kasi nga 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0 yan siya. Dapat, this should be 1, and then this 225, 2.25, and this is 4. Okay? So, ang benchmark natin dito is yung numbers na 4, 1, and then yung pinakagitna, yung 2.25. Okay? Now, ito yung gagawin nyo. If ang 2.56, again, if ang 2.56 mas malaki, okay, 1, 2.25, and then we have here 4. If ang 2.56 mas malaki kaysa dito sa pinakagitna ninyong number, yung 1.5, therefore, the answer is 1.6. Again, if mas malaki siya sa 2.25, 1.6 yung sagot, hindi 1.4. Alright? So, in this case, kasi mas malaki nga ang 2.56 kumpara sa 2.25 natin, na median natin. So, ang sagot is 1.6. Again, the answer is 1.6. Hindi 1.4. Alright? I think I need to provide a separate video for this.